Don't clean your bathroom mold until you hear this. Because most people scrub it, bleach it, wipe it, and then 2 weeks later it is back like it pays rent. And the reason is simple. You are not just fighting mold, you are fighting moisture. Today I'm going to show you the right way to remove bathroom mold, the mistake that makes it return, and the one habit that can help stop it from taking over your bathroom again. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple home hacks, DIY tips, and cleaning tricks that actually work. You'll need gloves, a mask, white vinegar, baking soda, a spray bottle, an old toothbrush, a cloth, and ventilation. Open a window, turn on the extractor fan, get air moving. And please listen carefully. Do not mix cleaning products. Never mix bleach with vinegar. Never mix bleach with ammonia. That can create dangerous fumes. Step 1. Soak the moldy area with white vinegar. Not a tiny polite spray. I mean properly cover the area. Then leave it for 30 to 60 minutes. This is where most people ruin it. They spray, scrub immediately, and think they are done. No, let it sit. Give it time to work. While that sits, here is the part nobody talks about. If your bathroom has mold, your bathroom is telling you something. Too much steam, not enough airflow, or water sitting where it should not. So cleaning is only half the job. Step 2. Make a thick baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a little water until it looks like paste. Apply it to the grout, corners, silicone edges, or tile lines. Then scrub with an old toothbrush. Go into the grout lines. Go around the taps. Go behind the shower door. Go where the water sits. That black line in the corner? That is not decoration. That is the enemy. Step 3. Wipe everything clean with a damp cloth, then dry it. And I mean dry it properly. Because if you leave that area wet, you basically cleaned the mold and gave it a free glass of water. Now here is the habit that changes everything. After every shower, do this. Run the extractor fan or open the window. Wipe down wet walls or glass, and leave the shower door or curtain open. That is it. Not fancy, not expensive. But it works because mold hates dry moving air. Look at the difference. Cleaner grout, fresher bathroom, no more creepy black corners. But here's the warning. If the mold covers a large area, keeps coming back quickly, is on your ceiling, inside cupboards, behind tiles, or smells very musty, you may have a leak or a bigger moisture problem. At that point, do not just keep scrubbing the surface. Fix the moisture problem or call a professional. So remember the formula: soak it, scrub it, dry it, ventilate it. Because if you only clean the mold, it comes back. But if you remove the moisture, you win. Like this video, subscribe for more easy home tips, and comment mold if you want my bathroom mold prevention checklist.